Offers more than 3,500 SKU, with experienced promoters and established relationships with clients. Kaka Industries Ltd, a PVC profile manufacturer. With over 20 years of experience, the company manufactures PVC profile, wood plastic composite sheet, and N-plasticized polyvinyl chloride profile. They recently ventured into manufacturing new products, like high-volume low-speed fans. About 56% of the revenue is generated from PVC profile, 25% from WPC profile, 6% from UPVC profile, and 13% from others. The company was incorporated in 2019 and got public in 2023. They are based in Ahmedabad, with more than 280 employees. Company has 3 manufacturing units in Gujarat, with production capacity of 54,328 metric tons per annum, and expects to exceed the current capacity utilization by more than 120% over the next 2 to 3 years. The market cap of the company is 325 crore rupees, and currently trading at 238 rupees per share. The company has 29% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 62% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company markets and sells under its well-known brands, with a strong distribution network of 4 depots in Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat, with access to more than 300 dealers and presence in 20 states. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. Currently, there are no foreign or domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Big Bazaar, ISKCON, Adani, DLF, Pipavav Port, Eurokids, DSC Public School, Delhi Development Authority, Goel Developers, and more. The company has established relationships with clients and anticipates a continued growth rate of 30% CAGR for next 4 years. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.